30 years EDCOM 1. Halos pareho ang problema natin. And we go back to the basic. Reading, literacy and numeracy. Reading and math. Yun talaga ang nagiging gap natin ngayon, especially sa key stage 1. I'm sure alam ng mga teachers natin. Dapat palakasin natin kindergarten to grade 3, reading and math. Yun lang. Yun muna ayusin natin. At kailangan din isa sa mga nakikita ko, ito, one of my vision, is really to mobilize the local government units. Yun ang aking, kasi naging mayor ako for 9 years. Alam, tama si Mayor, I truly believe na ang mayors, maraming magagawa yan sa education. Ang principal, ang superintendent, pag pinatawag yung kapitan, pag pinatawag yung parents, minsan pumupunta, minsan hindi pumupunta, di ba? Pag si Mayor nagpatawag, pupunta yan kaagad. Pag si Mayor nag-utos, susunod kaagad. Yan ang power ng local citizen. If you can translate that to education and other problems of the country, marami tayong masusolve. But you really need to mobilize your mayors. Yun ang aking pananaw and vision for our education. We need the accountability and participation of our mayors. Pero I agree with Lord Jason, accountability should be institutionalized. Yun ang kanina ko pang sulat. How do we do that? Do we need a law that will give more responsibility to the mayors? Do we need more law to give more accountability? But yung accountability, two sides yan. Pag hindi ka nag-perform, dapat. Diba? Meron kang penalty. Pag nag-perform ka, may reward ka rin. So, ano yung tamang formula? I don't know the answer yet. But yun yung mga linalaro ko sa